back with another OnePlus video, a long time after the 12R. This time we have the OnePlus 15R 5G from the ever popular R lineup to thoroughly test out its actual build quality for real life scenarios. The OnePlus 15R is actually the rebrand of OnePlus A60 China model with little difference. The default violet soft case free inside the box is of decent quality, providing good protection. You may use it until you get a case of your choice. Buy links attached in this video. The OnePlus 15R unit here is the base 256GB electric violet India specific variant weighing 213 grams as compared to the slightly heavier 218 grams charcoal black and 219 grams mint breeze variants. This is mainly due to the presence of the fiberglass plastic back instead of glass on the other two versions. The fiber reinforced back looks quite unique, almost like a superimposed 3D design pattern engrafted inside the plastic. Definitely feels like a rock during our usual trial bend, and hopefully the same happens during the actual bend test. Also absolutely ecstatic to see an actual 80W SuperVOOC fast charging adapter given free inside the box, which used to be 100 watts at one time during the 12R days. So starting straight away with a scratch test to practically test out the scratch resistance capability of this tempered glass protection provided on the OnePlus 15R. The main camera is 50.18 megapixel with a Sony IMX906 CMOS BSI Plus sensor type at f1.8, 6 lenses, dual LED flash with both digital and optical image stabilization. The ultrawide camera is 8 megapixel, again with the OIS feature, 5 lenses, 112 degrees field of view at f2.2. Selfie camera has a 32.33 megapixel 25mm CMOS sensor, 5 lenses at f2.0 with EIS and OIS for video. The glass protection given on the OnePlus 15R is the Corning Glass 7i, which unfortunately has a very bad reputation on the channel due to its past failures by the blade abuse. We can only hope against bad luck that this time it somehow manages to pass the various scratch abuses we're going to throw at it. It is definitely weird that a reputed glass from Corning keeps failing the blade abuse, even though glass is supposed to be harder than steel on the Mohs hardness scale. Anyways, hoping for the best that it survived this time on the OnePlus 15R 5G. No scratches seem to be visible to the naked eye on first look. But then, you can clearly see light permanent marks at the top and bottom part. Whether it's a pass or partial fail, you be the judge. So now on to the drop test. The Corning 7i surely should be much better at both light and hard drop impact resistance compared to scratch resistance. What we are looking for is basic drop resistance on the OnePlus 15R 5G on a neutral surface. The structural design of a smartphone should at least be able to survive basic drops, starting with 2 low drops from pocket or chair height.
It's what makes heartbreak so difficult to heal. Addicts know they're addicted. They know when they're shooting up. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now. But you do now.
As expected from any device, the OnePlus 15R survives both basic low drops. One drop each from the fiberglass backside and the last finale drop on the AMOLED side. Hoping it survives without a scratch, saving thousands of dough, onto the danger high drops, which has managed to demolish quite a few past devices.
You're just feeding your addiction.
Now for the finale danger drop you have been waiting for on the AMOLED display side. No noticeable shatters, dents or marks as of now on the fiberglass back or the AMOLED fortunately. You can breathe a bit easy seeing the proof that your 15R can in fact manage drop impacts. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. A true test of the actual real life build quality of devices that the brand has engineered for you. Is the fiberglass back with an aluminium alloy design strong enough to survive hard bend pressures? If the 15R survives, it will help you in ruling out a bend gate issue. Wow, hardly any flex from the first backside bend. In fact, the bend angle is lesser than SAMI flagships, which are pretty strong in itself. Again, a very less flex angle also from the AMOLED side bend. Maybe a slight bit more than the first. Right now, hopes are sky high for a sure pass. The estimates of the trial bend comes true. The OnePlus 15R 5G turns out to be super strong, as hard as a rock, passing the dreaded bend test rather easily. Stay tuned for other videos like the underwater tests or the best cases video.
Broken. You simply cannot trust.